estate owners! I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. And for today's touring, we are here at Uptown Park Suites Tower 1. And all units here at Tower 1 has no balcony. So if you're a fan of a big space, so this unit is perfect for you. And by the way, this unit is a corner unit. And yan, as you can see, nasa corner tayo. And that's my two colleagues. Now, let's start the tour. By the way, this unit is 89 square meters. So let's start. So here is the main entrance, or this is your main door. And over here is the general main switch. And this one is the provision for your internet. And of course, if you're new to my channel, so by the way, this one is a video intercom. So usually, all Mega Worlds project has a video intercom. So if you have parcel or if you have visitors at the lobby, you can see them from here, but they cannot see you inside your unit. Over here is your dining area. So it can fit a 5 to 6 seaters for the dining area. Approximate is 2.7 meters to 3 meters for the ceiling height. And as you can see, we have a huge space or big space for your living area. So it's so nice. And napakaganda rin ng view natin dito sa unit. And here is the view of this unit. By the way, this unit is facing southeast. And you have the view of the JP Morgan's and of course the Uptown Mall, which is the landmark of this project. We are here at the 37th floor. And here is your living area. Over here is you can put your sofa. And on this side, on my left side, is where you can put your television. And it comes also with a split type aircon. Ang ganda rin ng ating kitchen. Kitchen natin is naka-separate siya. And it has also a decent space. So, malawak yung kitchen natin. So, we have your two sink, we have your granite countertop, and we also have your overhead and under cabinets. And of course, over here is the provision for your refrigerator. And we have your 4-burner cooktop. We have also your range hood. And your oven. So, kung mahilig kayong mag-bake, yan. So, napakaganda nito. And you have your spacious maid's room. And over here, you can put your washing machine. You also have here your tiny toilet. Continue the tour. Let's check our bedroom. So, this hallway will lead you to your bedrooms. Side, actually, you can also put another built-in cabinets. And now let's check the first bedroom. So here in your bedroom area, so the tiles is made up of ceramic wood planks, while on the outside or living area is made up of ceramic tiles. And it has also a floor-to-ceiling glass and also comes with a built-in cabinets and split type aircon. So here in your first bedroom, it can fit a queen size bed. And you can also put a television here. And now let's proceed to your second bedroom. So here is your second bedroom. So if you're big family, sobrang ganda nitong unit na to. And ideal talaga. And especially if you have kids, so napaka-safe niya dahil wala tayong balcony. And maganda rin yung lighting niya dito sa unit niyo. But rainy day today, so pero maganda pa rin yung light natin dito sa unit natin, especially dito sa bedroom area. you can put your bed here. So it can fit like size bed. And over here, you can put your television. And again, your study table here. And comes with a split type aircon and again, your built-in cabinets. So pakita natin yung built-in cabinets natin. In front of this second bedroom, in front of your door, is the common toilet and bath. So this one has a complete sanitary fittings. So we have half glass partition for the shower, and of course your toilet bowl and sink and your mirror. Yan. So here is your master's bedroom. So napakaganda niya. So, as you can see, since this is a corner unit, so ito yung kagandahan pag corner unit. Pagdating sa master's bedroom natin, napakaganda ng view, and napakaliwanag, and maaliwalas talaga niya. So, yan, kung makikita nyo, we have the same view pa din, and floor-to-ceiling glass hanggang dito, sa side na to. So, napakaganda talaga. And over here, you can put your television. And of course, it can fit a king-size bed. And you also have your split type aircon and 3-door built-in cabinets. So, napakaganda niya, guys. And by the way, you also have your own toilet and bath to your master's bedroom. Let's check. So, we have your his and her sink. And of course, you have a big mirror here. And of course, ang lakas talaga makasosyal kapag merong bathtub. So parang nasa hotel kayo talaga. And of course, your toilet bowl. And we also have a window here for the natural ventilation. Yes, napakaganda. Super nice. I really love this unit. So thank you for watching. And by the way, we offer rent-to-own terms here for only 10% down payment for you to move in. And we also offer 25% discount for cash buyers. So if you have any questions or inquiries, you can message me on the details shown on your screen. And again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more condo tour. Bye!